If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making SOOJI KHIRI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves and one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. 1 cup of semolina or suji, a quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of grated coconut, and quarter teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and place it over medium flame, and first add all the ghee followed by all the suji, and roast this for roughly about a couple of minutes. Then to that add all the powder, grated coconut and all the salt. Then combine these really well. Then after that add about 4 cups of milk, which is roughly about 1 liter, followed by all the sugar. Then keeping it on medium flame, let it simmer till it becomes a little thicker because of the suji, which will absorb most of the moisture, that's the milk. So once you get a thicker consistency, just like this, switch off the flame. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad SOOJI KHIRI. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.